Alright, draw a net for this cylinder. Let's think about this now. This middle part right here, the middle part, if you take it and you start, let's say we start right here and we just unfold it. What are we going to have? Yeah, you're just going to have a rectangle. Because if you take a rectangle and you sort of roll it into a circle, you're going to have a cylinder. The only thing that's left is the top part and the bottom part. And the top part and the bottom part will look something like this. So that whenever you roll this up, then you fold this over the top, you fold this over the bottom, and you've got your cylinder. Looks a little goofy, but that's the way it's done. Okay, let's find the area of this cylinder. Remember, whenever you unfold the middle part, you're going to get a rectangle. And since this part is 20 right here, that means that this part here is going to be 20 as well. But to find the area of a rectangle, you've got to be able to have the length and the width. We need area equals length times width. But we've got one part of that. What we don't have is this part. Now think about this. Whenever you take this and you unfold it, what you've done is unfolded the circumference of this circle. Okay? So what we need to do is find the circumference of this circle, and that will tell us how long this part of the rectangle is. So let's find the circumference of the circle. Circumference equals pi d. Circumference equals 3.14 times, not 3, but d is equal to 2 times the radius, so it will be 6. So that gives us C equals 18.84 meters. So now we got this is 18.84. So now we find the area of it, and we go area equals 20 times 18.84. And that gives us area equals 376.8 meters squared. So now we've got the middle part here. That is 376.8. We found the area of that. But there's an area of the top part and the bottom part that we've got to find also. So we come over here to the top part and we go area. Excuse me, let me get rid of that. We go area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 3 squared, which gives us area equals 3.14 times 9, which gives us area equals 28.26 meters squared. So that means this top one up here is going to be 28.26. The bottom is the same thing, so it's going to be 28.26 as well. So if we want to find the area of the entire cylinder, we found the area of the rectangle, of the top, and of the bottom. And so now we add those together and we get 433.32. 433.32 is the surface area of this cylinder. Alright, so now let's review. To find the surface area of the cylinder, the first thing you do is find the area of the two circles. Let's do that, okay? Find the surface area of the two circles. Pause the video, find the surface area of the two circles, and then get back with me. Okay, let's see if you did this part correctly. The surface area of this circle, okay, will be area equals pi r squared. That would be area equals 3.14 times, remember the radius is half the diameter, so that would be times 4 squared. Area equals 3.14 times 16, and that gives us area equals 50.6 3.24 centimeters squared. So we found the area of one of the circles. Now to get the area of both of them, we multiply it by 2, and that gives us 100.48 centimeters squared. The second thing you do is find the circumference of one of the circles. So pause the video, find the circumference of one of the circles, and then get back with me. Alright, so the circumference, let's get a different color. The circumference is equal to pi d. So that will be circumference equals 3.14 times 8. So that will give us circumference is equal to 25.12 centimeters. So we found the circumference of one of the circles. Did you get 25.12? Okay. Find the area of find the area of the rectangle. So what we did is we unfolded this like this. We know that this part's 15. And when we found the circumference of this, we found out the length of this one right here. So this is 25.12. Now to find the area of the rectangle, you go length times width. So pause the video, find the area of the rectangle, and then return to me. So area equals length times width. So let me get a different color. Area is equal to length times width. So that will be area is equal to 25.12 times 15. And when we multiply that out, we get, what a coincidence, 376.8. Same number we got on the previous one. 376.8 centimeters squared. Centimeters squared. So now we know that this is 376.8. We know that the top part is 100.48 and the bottom part is 100.48. So now the fourth thing you got to do is add the area of the two circles and the rectangle. Do that. Pause the video, do that, and then get back with me. Okay, so we went 376.8 plus 100.48 plus 100.48, and we come up with 577.76, and don't forget to put centimeters squared. Okay, find the area of the cylinder. You're going to do this one all on your own. Remember, first step you do, step 1, find the area of the two circles. Okay. Step 2, find the circumference. Whoa, what a long word. Circumference of one of the circles. Number 3, find the area of the rectangle. And finally, 4, add all the areas. Okay, now pause the video and do those things, and then come back to me and we'll say how you did. So what do we do? Find the area of the two circles. So the radius is 2, so we come over here and we've got area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 2 squared. That gives us area equals 3.14 times 4, and that gives us area equals 12.56 meters squared. Then it says find the circumference of one of the circles. So we come over here, number 2. Circumference equals pi d. So circumference is equal to 3.14 times d. The radius is 2, so the diameter would be 4. So circumference is equal to 12.56 as well. But this is just meters. Third step, find the area of the rectangle. We do that by multiplying the length times the width. Well, the length is 9. And the width is what we just found out right here, 12.56. So that gives us area equals 113.04. And that's area equals 113.04 meters squared. And then it says add all the areas. So you add the areas of the rectangle and the two circles. So we've got step 4. The area of one of the circles is 12.56. The area of the second circle is 12.56. And the area of the rectangle is 113.04. And we add all those up, and we get 138.16. 138.16. And don't forget, it's meters squared. Wow, I hope you got that. That was a challenge, wasn't it?